In this video, I'll guide you through how to download a contract from Honeybook. Whether you're a freelancer managing your own projects or a business professional overseeing multiple contracts, Honeybook makes it easy to stay organized. However, downloading your contracts for offline access or record keeping is an important step that we'll tackle today. First, let's start by opening the specific project that contains the contract you wish to download. Navigate over to your Projects tab. This is your central hub for all ongoing and past projects, and it's here that you can find the exact project you're looking for. Take your time to scroll through or use the search function if you have multiple projects listed. Once you've located the project, click on it to open it up. You'll be directed to a more detailed view of your project where you can manage various aspects, including files, invoices, and communications. Now, focus on the Files tab within the project. This is where all documents associated with this project are stored. Look for the smart file that contains your contract. It might be named something specific to the project or simply labeled as contract. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you have entered the file, you're ready to take the next step. You'll see an interface displaying the contract, and at this point, it's important to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Once you're satisfied with the document, it's time to download it. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the file viewer. Here, you will either see a triple dot icon or a print icon. Both of these icons are your gateways to saving the document. Click on either of those icons to open up additional options. From the menu that appears, you'll be looking for the option to print to PDF or save as PDF. These options might slightly differ depending on the browser you're using, but the functionality remains the same. Select this option, and you'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save the file. If you're using a browser with a built-in PDF viewer, you might see a preview before saving, which is a great way to double-check everything one last time. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your contract from Honeybook straight to your computer. It's always a good idea to keep a digital copy of important documents like these for easy access and backup. This simple guide has shown you how to navigate through Honeybook's interface to retrieve your contracts efficiently. Remember, having your contracts saved locally can be crucial for offline access or sharing with team members who might not be using Honeybook. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your contracts through Honeybook. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and good luck with your projects.